In this video, we will try to learn how we can apply the host listener in our Angular component. It is nothing but a decorator that declares DOM event to listen and provide a handler method to run when the event occurs. Suppose that we are trying to apply some key event, we are trying to click, then we want to add some listener who can listen these particular events and perform some operation. For this, we need to add the host listener from Angular code. Let us try to demonstrate with the help of Angular application that we have already created. And now I am going to add a new test component in which we will declare the host listener. So now I am done with creating the test component. Now I am going to add the selector inside app.component.html, and I will try to listen to the keyUp event, that whenever we are trying to type something, then it will respond to with the help of consoling that particular key in console.log. Let us give an input text box. And let me try to add the host listener. So we have added document.keyUp, and this will be a event. Let us see what it is going to print. Let me just run the application. So let us see. Open your console window. Now see, I have pressed F12, so it is printing F12. Now I am going to type something. Whatever key I am typing, it is simply printing that particular key. If I am typing enter, it is printing enter. So I have applied the DOM event that is listening to the host listener, and doesn't matter whether you are clicking and typing in this particular text box, it is going to write by listening to the event through the keyboard. Whatever I am typing, you can see. If I am typing digit, it is getting the code for digit. If I am typing any character, if I am typing shift left, whatever I am trying to type, you can see it is simply printing this over here. So in this way we can define the event type, and suppose that if I am trying to give something different, let us suppose I don't want the event in our keyUp, I want in our keyDown. Then I am just changing it, the keyDown, and whenever I am typing, whenever my key is down, then it is getting printed. So there is already an event keyUp, keyDown, from the JavaScript. So we can define that particular events over here. We can also define the directives through which we can listen to that particular directive only, and many more. There are 3 or 4 methods to listen to the host. So you can go with Now I have given the simple demonstration with the help of which we can capture the keyboard event and perform whatever we want to do in our listening event. So thank you so much.